We are at the trailhead for a place called Watres Falls. It's a 1.6 mile out and back trail, and neither one of us has been here before, so we're not exactly sure where we're going. We do know we need to be careful not to mess with, there's private property and we need to stay off of it. So there's also supposed to be a stream crossing, and it is we've got a 25% chance of rain today, and we appear to be in the area, the 25% area that's going to get the rain. So we're hoping to have some fun here. Let's get to it.
Because we didn't get a walk in before we left.
Oh.
We should get it now.
This is Fife. Fife is joining us on this hike here. I don't think he's ever been, but he's trying to lead us. So we got lots of. We had heavy rain last night. We got lots of puddles here. I hope we're doing this right.
It's just how long it is, so he won't yank me too bad.
So this is the trail. Again, we had heavy rains last night, so lots of puddles. Fife is here. He's still leading us on. We just passed the confluence here, and we've got two creeks coming together. We've got Veronica here.
Salutations.
And so far,
Come on.
it's a pretty trail. It's a very easy trail, and I'm looking forward to finding this waterfall. Nice and soft because, you know, we had the rain and everything's wet.
It almost feels like you're on those.
All right, so if what I read on all trails is correct, this is where, if I'm interpreting it correctly, this is where we need to cross, so, and then take the trail over there, to get to the falls, because we're only about a half mile in. This is beautiful, by the way. I love this, but apparently this is not Watres Falls. So we're gonna go. We're gonna try and cross this, and then we are going to try and find the trail over there on that side. All right, so we think we found where we're supposed to cross here. There's a couple places, and we can see the trail continues over there. It also continues up this way, but we think we're going to cross over here, and hopefully we're going the right way and not trespassing. So the trail pulled us away from the creek, but I saw this through the trees and I had to stop. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna get a little closer. If we are reading all trails correctly, this is not the falls. This is not Watres Falls. This is something else. But this is really neat. I'm going to look around, see if I can ascertain if this place has a name or if this is indeed at Watres Falls. So we made it to the top of where we were just at. We took the trail, we didn't climb the rocks. I'm nursing an injury, and we have Fife, we have the dog with us. It just wouldn't have been safe. I think most people can do this climb. But like I said, I'm nursing an injury, and we had we have the dog with us, and that just wouldn't have been fair to the dog. But I'm gonna come down here and get this shot. Holy cow. This is a reservoir. This is not a lake. You can see the concrete wall here. Absolutely gorgeous. Fife got frisky and he jumped up on this wall right here. Scared his mama.
Fife, up, 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 up. Come on. Fife. Hey, it's not even grass. Up.
Come on, buddy.
Up. Hey. Come on. Up. Up. Up.
He says, you just yelled at me for that, Mom.
Up. Come on. Come on.
All right, so I'll give you a warning beforehand. I'm about to do a shot straight down. So if that's going to scare you, look away or fast forward. It looks like water bugs. I'm not sure.
Oh. I thought it was a turtle.
Okay, we're taking a different way back. We came across the creek here. It was easy to cross dry-footed, and we're gonna take this trail. It should take us back to where we crossed originally, hopefully. If not, we can always double back. We got to the falls a little quicker than we thought we would, and it's just really beautiful. Want to enjoy it. Okay, so that is private property over there. We didn't get far, and then we saw signs on both sides of the trail that say private property, no trespassing. So don't do that. Don't go over there. But do stop and admire. It's dead now, but this tree that had the temerity to put down roots and grow right in the middle of the stream and this rock pile. That's pretty cool. Here we are back at the beginning. I have to say this was definitely worth it. The falls were obviously pretty dry, but this is a very easy hike. It was great to walk with a friend and have lots of talking and enjoy the dog and his antics while we were walking. Definitely recommend this, especially for folks with kids. It's definitely worth it, and I'll be back. I can't wait to come here in the fall. See you later, Fife.